It all makes sense now. I just slipped on this. Oh wait, that's not even pavement. Alright, so we got the Silverado right here. This is the next video, same day and everything. Check out that bird. It's a turkey. No way, it's a peacock. It's a peacock turkey. But anyways, yeah. So we're about to head out in the Silverado, which I must say that is a very nice picture, isn't it? I don't think there's time to do that now, is it? So I would have to have it here for the Ford in the background. Alright, so we have a limited amount of time, but we gotta go pick up the Ram, and I'm actually thinking about paying for the Ram, and then we'll start it by getting it off to, we'll get it tomorrow. Talk to you guys a little bit. Let's get in the Silverado and let's go. Alright guys, so this is what we're dealing with here. We're trying to drive out of the snowy woods and it's very, very bad. I don't know if we'll make it out. It's looking pretty bad. Yeah. And we gotta go get this truck. We're running out of time. They close pretty soon. So we gotta get out of here. And I got the window down and what is the temperature here? It's 20. Did it get warmer? I think it's 23 now. 23 degrees. No, wait, no, that's colder than what I said before. It was 25. So yeah, I think we'll make it. Back on the road today, and it's actually pretty desolate out here. And we gotta head to a parking lot. Yeah, just dropping off our car, and then we're gonna take the truck to the warehouse to get the truck. Damn it, just dropped the Yeti once again. So that's always the bad thing about having a big water bottle like that. Okay guys, so I finally found an angle where it's actually bright, and it's right there. So yeah, I think I see where we are. It's pretty cool. Wow, I didn't know we were that close to the carpooling spot. It's pretty cool. Oh, lifted Chevy, bro. Black wheels on it, pretty cool.
There goes a gas 2500. This is going to be a rough winter.
Sorry guys, these roads are a little bumpy. But what I wanted to mention is that I got the valve lash adjust to the Cummins. So once we pay for the Ram, I'll tell you guys everything that's been done. Of course, I gotta update you guys on that. It'd be ridiculous if I didn't tell you. So yeah, we're almost there. And stay tuned. Alright guys, so now we're just sitting on the side of the road here. She's got to feed the dog for the neighbor, so we're just going to wait here for a little bit. And yeah, I got the four-ways on, literally in the middle of a road, if you can see through that snow. Yeah, we were literally just sitting on the side of a road. Well, at least I am. She went up. So it's going to be a second. Well, I hope I diversify the content for you guys, because it's been pretty crazy lately. Wow, guys, look at that view. Holy crap. It's awesome, man. It feels like we're in Sweden. So right when you thought you were in the middle of nothing, we just happen to be right near a highway. Oh, look at that first gen. I must say that this road right here is actually pretty freaking cool. Check it out. Got the view right there. Open road, straight to yourself. We're next to the highway, separated by a barrier, but still. It's actually pretty cool. And she is flying. Oh, there it is. It's the coal. Power and everything, man. Gotta love that coal. Alright, so we're still on the road here, and there's the train. So we're on a road right here. We're separated by a highway, and then we got the train, and then there's the river down there. So there's all methods of transportation. Whatever you're comfortable with, we got it all right here in Pennsylvania. Road trip Z71. So we're just getting to the parking spot. There is the mountain. So you can even travel on foot. Pulling up here, haven't been here in a very, very long time, but it looks like we got some kind of heavy duty Silverado back there. Check it out. Oh, it's custom, and he's definitely sitting in it, so probably warming it up if it's a D-Max. Not really sure if it is or not. It's got EFI light. Okay, that's got to be a diesel. Yep, EFI light Duramax. Fuck your Prius. It's the dirty Duramax. That's cool, man. So we got the dirty Duramax down there. Listen to the sound of that thing, man. It sounds pretty good. Nissan Cummins 5.0 V8. Oh no. This is not good. We are hitting 5 o'clock traffic right now. Oh no. Oh my god. Whenever I was driving home from high school, just got the truck. Smells brand new and everything, right? Well, it still smells pretty new in here. But I was giving a friend a ride home for free, just being a nice guy and everything, and all of a sudden he lights up a cigarette in the back seat. And I just got the truck and it smells new and everything. He's like, dude, I'm only out the window, dude. Come on, dude. I was like, no. And then like I had to kick him out because he wouldn't even put it out. He wouldn't even throw it. So yeah, that was horrible. All right, y'all, we got 10 minutes on the dial. So we're gonna be there soon and check out this road, man. If you guys never experienced snow, this is what it's like. It does look really cool and all, but, oh, check out that. Probably a Cummins, I don't know. But yeah, this is what it looks like when you're driving with the snow and everything. And it does look cool and all, but check out that Ford. You have to deal with road salt and everything. So the scene is very nice, but as your car falls apart because of the road salt rusting it out, well, is it really worth it then? So that's what you got to keep in mind. And it's a bit dangerous. Every time. Alright guys, we're pulling up here to Performance Diesel Warehouse. Not this one, right? Right? Yeah, it's right up here. And there's a horse over there. And you guys remember from the other video with all the snow though, so this time it's snowy. Alright, so check it out. Oh, it looks like someone's leaving, or they're pulling it out. Alright guys, check it out. We are back with a 2nd gen Cummins. It looks like it has not moved once again because snow is covering it completely. Should we roll that down? Oh, really? Look at those chrome stacks on there. I gotta get something like that. Oh, there's the Cummins down there. There she is, guys. She is all ready to go. 4th gen Ram. Got some snow on her. Must have been sitting out for a little bit, but she's actually looking pretty clean. Too bad she's going to be hitting that road saw a little bit later on. Hopefully they take care of that though. Was that an old, really old truck behind it? Mm-hmm. So we just paid for it, and there's the Ram right there. Check her on out. She's looking still very clean and everything. It is getting dark though, so... And you have to be at work. Yeah, she's all ready to go. And we're now leaving Performance Diesel Warehouse, and the truck is ready to go. I will read you the information once we get at a good point here. Oh, check that out. See those LEDs? It's the cool bus. Alright guys, so I am now at Best Buy and headed out to get to work. So yeah, work. So I got the paper right here and the receipt, and the crankcase filter had to be replaced, and the valve lash had to be adjusted. The crankcase filter also was soaked in oil and needed replaced. The valve lashes need to be adjusted. I forget which ones, but there was a couple exhaust ones and then a couple of other ones that need to be adjusted pretty badly. And I should be good now for another 150,000 miles, so that is a very long time. We didn't have enough time to be able to drive that truck to my house, so I figured I'd go and pay for it since I was in the area, and then I'm gonna get it tomorrow. I gotta run into Best Buy to get something real quick for the camera, as you can see, for the microphone. I'll show you guys and explain.
2,000 years later.
Unfortunately, they did not have the cord I need, so I'm probably gonna have to order online. It's gonna take a while. See, what happened was that the microphone part that connects into the camera does not work anymore, and I tested it out with a different microphone, so I'm going to have to buy a cord, splice it, tape it on up, plug it in, and it should work perfectly again. So I'm gonna have to order it. Guess that's not gonna work out today, but tomorrow we are going to get the Ram, and we're going to get the Ram, bring her home tomorrow. So it's gonna be awesome. So check in for that, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so I can see you next video. Until then, take it easy.